Hello guys, magandang gabi guys. Good evening. Please welcome back to my channel. Beauty Kambal. Si Beauty Kambal ito guys. Ayan oh, may bulaklak siya guys. Ayan oh. From Manilin and Rhoda. Ayan guys. Ang cute. Ha? Cute. Cute guys. Ayan. Please watch my video, Beauty Kambal. Yun pa o rose. Ayan. Ayan. Bigay ni Manilin. Yan. Okay pa siya guys. 1 week na. Yan. Yung bigay ni Ruda nasira na. Yan guys. Tingnan naman ninyo yung rose at saka yung orchids. Nagbunga ng dragon fruits at saka saging guys. Yan o. Nagbunga ng dragon fruits at saka saging. Ayan siya o. Ayan. Ayan. May 3 bunga na saging. Mahahaba. Ayan guys. Del Monte. Ayan ang bulaklak ni Kambal. Please watch my video guys. Beauty Kambal. Ayan. Mega love shout out friends in YT. Mega love shout out. Please watch my video. Yung bulaklak ko guys. So, yan. Thank you for watching. Flowers ni Kambal. Yan. Namunga ng dragon fruits at saging. Yan guys. Ayan guys. Ayan. Mega love shout out. Thanks for watching. Yan.